Associative means grouped. Elements are grouped without change of order. It applies to addition and multiplication. It does not work for subtraction or division. For any three rational number a, b, c, a plus bracket of b plus c is equal to bracket of a plus b plus c. For multiplication, a into bracket of b into c is equal to bracket of a into b into c. So, how to remember the associative property means only move the brackets, numbers do not change their places. Only move the bracket, numbers do not change their places. Verify the associative property for addition and multiplication of the rational numbers minus 10 divided by 11, 5 by 6 and minus 4 divided by 3. Students, we have to verify the associative property. First we going to the addition. So take A is equal to minus 10 by 11, B is equal to 5 by 6, C is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. So we know the associative property. A plus bracket of B plus C is equal to bracket of A plus B plus C. So we change only the bracket, not change the number. Students, in commutative property we have to change the places. But for associative property we change only the bracket, not the numbers. So first, what is the value of A? A is equal to minus 10 divided by 11. Here first I am going to find the value of A plus B plus C. So what is the value of A? A is equal to minus 10 divided by 11. A is equal to minus 10 divided by, first we find the value of B plus C. Next we add with A. So B plus C. So first one B plus C is equal to. So what is the value of B? Yes, 5 divided by 6. Next one, what is the value of C? Yes, minus. So put the bracket. So minus 4 divided by 3. Minus 4 divided by 3. Listen, see the denominator. Denominator is same or different? Yes, denominator is different. And 6 is the multiple of 3. So we take the LCM. What is the LCM of 3, 6? So 3, 6. So 3 is a common divisor. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Next one 2. So I divided by 2. 1, 1. So what is the LCM of 3, 6? LCM is, so multiply this factor. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So what is the LCM? So LCM is 6. So LCM is 6. So after taking the LCM, change the denominator into the LCM. Yes, here LCM and the denominator is same. So no change. So 5 divided by 6. So next one, minus 4 divided by 3. So which number we multiply with 3? We get 6. Yes, 2. So multiply and divided by 2. So here 5 divided by 6. So next one, minus into plus. Nothing is given means it is understood for plus. So minus into plus, minus. So minus 4 twos are 8. 3 twos are 6. So what is the value? Minus 8 divided by 6. Minus 8 divided by 6. See the denominator here also 6, here also. So denominator is same. So we have to add this two number. One is positive number and another one is negative number. Two of them are different signs. So different sign means we have to subtract the number. So 8 minus 5. What is the answer of 8 minus 5? Listen. So 5 plus minus of 8 divided by 6. So different sign means we have to subtract the number. So 8 minus 5, what is the answer? Yes. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So which one is biggest? So 8 is the biggest number. So before 8, what is the symbol? Minus. So here we put a minus divided by 6. These two numbers are divisible by 3. So we divided by 3. So here minus is there. So minus 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So what is the answer of B plus C? So B plus C is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 1 divided by 2. So next we are going to find the value of A plus B plus C. So next we are going to find the value of A plus bracket of B plus C. So what is the value of A? Yes, A is equal to minus 10 divided by 11. A is equal to minus 10 divided by 11. Put the bracket. So next one, what is the value of B plus C? So B plus C is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 1 divided by 2. See the denominator. Yes, denominator is different. So 2 is not the multiple of 11. 11 is not the multiple of 2. So we take the cross multiplication. We take the cross multiplication. So 2 tens are 2 into 10, 20. So here minus is there. So minus 20 plus 11 into 1. Here minus is there. 11 into 1. Yes, 11 ones are 11. So minus 11. Whole divided by 11 twos are 22. 11 twos are 22. See the numerator. This number also minus. This number also minus. So like sign. How we add the like sign in addition? Yes, put the symbol minus. So like sign means add the number. Different sign means subtract the number. So here like sign, so I am going to add these two numbers. So 20 plus 11, what is the answer? 20 plus 11. So 20 plus 11, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 20 plus 11 is equal to minus 31 divided by 22. Minus 31 divided by 22. So A plus bracket of B plus C is equal to minus 31 divided by 22. Listen back. Next we are going to find the value of A plus B, bracket of A plus B plus C. So first we find the value of A plus B. So what is the value of A? Yes, minus 10 divided by 11. So next what is the value of B? 5 divided by 6. So 5 divided by 6. So listen, so two rational number. Before we are going to add the two rational numbers, see the denominator. Here denominator is different. So 11 is not the multiple of 6 and 6 is not the multiple of 11. So here we are going to take the cross multiplication. We are going to take the cross multiplication. So 10 into 6, here minus. So 10 6 are how much? Yes, you say 10 6 are how much? 10 6 are 60. So minus is there. So minus 60 plus 11 5s are. You say 11 5s are? Yes, 55. So 55 whole divided by 11 6 are. Yes, 11 6 are. You say 11 6 are 66. So here listen, one is minus, another one is plus. So two of them are unlike sign. Two of them are unlike sign. For unlike sign, we add or subtract. Yes. For unlike sign, we have to subtract the number and put the greater sign. So 60 minus 55. So this place we find 60 minus 55. So here 0. 5 is not, subtract from 0. So we have to borrow from 6. So here 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here 5 minus 5, 0. So 60 minus 55, what is the answer? 5. So 5 divided by 66. 5 divided by 66. So here 60 is the biggest number. So biggest number before minus symbol is there. So here I put a minus 5. So what is the answer of A plus B? A plus B is equal to minus 5 divided by 66. Minus 5 divided by 66. Next we are going to find the value of bracket of A plus B plus C. So next we are going to find the value of bracket of A plus B plus C. So what is the value of A plus B? Yes. So minus 5 divided by 66. Minus 5 divided by 66. What is the value of C? So C is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. So here minus 4 divided by 3. Minus 4 divided by 3. So see the denominator. So 366. So 66 is the multiple of 3. So we take the LCM. Yes, LCM of 3, 66. LCM of 3, 66 is 3 1s are 3. So 3 2s are 6. Again 3 2s are 6. Next this number is divisible by 2. So 1. So 2 11s are 22. Next this number is divisible by 11. So 1, 1. So what is the LCM? LCM equal to 3 into 2 into 11. 3 into 2 into 11. 3 2s are 6. So 6 into 11, 66. 6 into 11, 66. So remember pa, so 66 is the multiple of 3 means, so 66 becomes the LCM. So what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 66. After finding the LCM, change the denominator into the LCM. So here already 66 is there. So we don't change the number. So next one, minus 4 divided by 3. Minus 4 divided by 3. So which number we multiply with 3? We get 66. Yes, 3 into 22 is equal to 66. So we multiply and divided by 22 divided by 22. So minus 5 divided by 66 plus. So minus into plus. Minus into plus. Yes, minus. So 22 4s are 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8. So minus 88 divided by 22 into 3. Yes, 66. 22 into 3, 66. LCM is 66. So we change the denominator into the LCM. So here also 66. Here also 66. So denominator same means put the denominator one time and add the numerator. So minus 5. Next one is plus bracket of minus 88. So two of them are minus. So two of them are like sign. So here also minus, here also minus. So we have to add the two negative integer. How we add the two negative integer? Yes, put the symbol minus and add the number. So 88 plus 5. So 8 plus 5, 13, balance 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 93 divided by 66. 93 divided by 66. Is any common divisor between these two numbers? Yes, 3 is a common divisor. So 3, if we cancel by 3, so here minus is there. So minus 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 3 2s are 6, 22. So students, bracket of A plus B plus C is equal to, therefore bracket of A plus B plus C is equal to minus 31 divided by 22. Minus 31 divided by 22. Do you remember? A plus bracket of B plus C. A plus bracket of B plus C also. A plus bracket of B plus C also. Minus 31 divided by 22. So two answers are same. Two answers are same. So associative property is satisfied for addition. Associative property is satisfied for addition. So listen, associative property means we change the bracket. We change the bracket, not the numbers. If the two answers are same means it is called the associative property. Next we are going to find the value of the multiplication. Associative property for addition is over. So next part is associative property for multiplication. So multiplication, to check A into bracket of B into C is equal to bracket of A into B into C. So first we find this part, A into bracket of B into C. So comparing to addition, multiplication is very easy. So what is the value of A? A is equal to minus 10 divided by 11. So into, what is the value of B? So 5 divided by 6. So next one, you say what is the value of C? Is minus 4 divided by 3. Minus 4 divided by 3. So our multiplication, no need to check the denominator. Here no common divisor. So we multiply numerator with numerator. So listen pa. These two numbers are divisible by 2. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Here 2 2s are 4. Is any other common divisor between these numbers? Yes? No. So here minus 10 divided by 11. So into 5 into minus 2 here plus 5, nothing is given means it is understood for plus. So plus 5 into minus 2, plus 5 into minus 2. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So plus into minus, minus. So minus 10 divided by. So many of the students having a doubt. Here also 3 ma'am, here also 3 ma'am. Shall we cancel this 3 ma'am? Yes, no. You don't cancel this 2 3s because these 2 of them come in the denominator. So don't cancel this 3 and this 3. So 3 into 3, what is the value of 3 into 3? 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So again, here numerator minus 10, here also numerator minus 10. So don't cancel numerator with numerator. So minus into minus in multiplication, minus into minus plus 10 into 10. 10 tens are, you say pa, 10 tens are, yes, 10 tens are 100 divided by 11 nines are, 11 nines are 99. 11 nines are 99. So answer of A into bracket of B into C is equal to plus 100 divided by 99. So one part over. Next we are going to find the value of bracket of A into B into C. So what is the value of A? A is equal to minus 10 divided by 11. Next one, what is the value of B? Is 5 divided by 6. So 5 divided by 6. Put the bracket. Next multiply by C. So minus 4 divided by 3. So what is the value of C? Is minus 4 divided by 3. So next one, listen pa. Is any common divisor between these numbers? Yes. So this one and this one divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Next one 2 5s are 10. So here minus 5 into 5. Minus 5 into 5. Don't cancel numerator with the numerator. So minus into plus. Nothing is given means it is understood for plus. So minus into plus. What is the answer? Do you say? Yes, minus into plus. Minus 5 5s are. Yes, 5 5s are 25 divided by 11 3s are. 11 3s are 33. So next multiply by minus 4 divided by 3. Minus 4 divided by 3. So next one is any common divisor? Yes, no common divisor. So minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. 25 4s are. Do you know the answer? 25 4s are. So 25 into 4. 4 5s are 20. Balance 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 100. So 100 divided by 33 into 3. What is the answer of 33 into 3? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. So 100 divided by 99. See this one pa. A into bracket of B into C. Answer is plus 100 divided by 99. So next bracket of A into B into C also plus 100 divided by 99. So therefore A into bracket of B into C is equal to A into B bracket of A into B into See, so 2 of them are equal to plus 100 divided by 99 plus 100 divided by 99. So 2 answers also same. So commutative property is true for multiplication. Commutative property is true for multiplication.